Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm working on my mower. It's a Murray mower with a Briggs Stratton engine. When I put it away last week, it was working fine. Today it won't start. Now I checked the spark plug to see if I was getting any spark. There was none. I replaced the spark plug, still no spark. One or two things it could be. Either the mice got back in here again and chewed up the wire, or the safety that's connected to the brake is shorting out. To get to the wire and the brake, we have to remove the gas tank and this plastic cover on top. There's a bolt back here to remove the gas tank, and then this plastic top comes off. There's just a couple of bolts that have that on, and the whole piece comes right out. Now I'm checking this wire, and there's nothing wrong with this wire at all. But I noticed the coil is real close to the flywheel. It's not loose, but it's very close. I don't see any tolerance over here. And one side looks a little closer than the other side, and it's pretty rusted up. Usually the rust won't create any problem, but what I'm going to do is take this coil off. There's these two bolts that hold it down. I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to clean it up on the wire wheel. Clean up this flywheel a little bit with a little sandpaper. Put it back together, gap it, and see what happens. I don't have the specs on what the gap should be, but I'm going to use a business card. Usually the thickness of a business card will gap just about any motor. I'm going to clean this up, gap it, put it back together, and we'll see if it starts. Okay, on the first pull. Well guys, that's a wrap. Be sure to post your comments and questions down below. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, pass it along, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.